How to change the cursor color of your cursor on Windows 11. So in this video, I'll go ahead and teach you guys how you guys can go ahead and change the color of your cursor on Windows. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So head over to the search bar and search up settings. Now, once you actually went ahead and got that, click settings and make sure you guys go ahead and head over to Bluetooth and devices. Now, once you're on Bluetooth and devices, go ahead and make your way down to the mouse setting right here. Go ahead and click on it. Now, you're going to want to go ahead and make your way down to related settings, and you're going to want to go ahead and click on mouse pointer. Now, once you go ahead and click on it, you should be able to get, the color of your, mouse pointer, right? Or the cursor. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. You guys can see that it is now somewhat like neon. So if I go ahead and click yellow here, it's going to be yellow. If I want pink, it's going to be pink, right? And it looks pretty cool too. So I'm going to go ahead. You can actually change the color here. Me myself actually like kind of a green. Green is pretty cool, so we'll just go ahead and leave it green. It's not really green to me, but it looks pretty cool, right? So let's say you don't really like that, you can actually change the style of it as well. You can change it to like an inverted. Let's say you want this one as well. So it's pretty cool, guys. It's very easy to change your mouse cursor color. But with that being said, if you found this video helpful, make sure you guys leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.